All right, welcome. So, this is G video lesson number 3, multiplying polynomials. If it's your first time watching the videos in the classroom, just always remember, focus, write notes, pause, rewind if you need to listen to the instructions. If you have any questions in class, always just raise your hand. Enjoy the show. So, let's see. If we wanted to multiply this monomial to this polynomial, what I want you to do is try and do this by yourself first, and always remember, write your name, write the date, Algebra 2, and what else should we write? Oh yeah, the period. Okay. So here, try and solve this question and pause the video. So if you want to see the solution, remember we need to do what? We need to distribute each one of these, right? So from here, what is 3 times 5 is 15. X to the 3 times x to the 2 is x to the 5. Remember, when we multiply monomials, right? What do we do with the exponents here? We do 3 plus 2, which is 5. Remember, it does not equal x to the 6. If you feel like you're not very sure why you don't multiply the 3 and the 2 to get 6, just let me know. Okay, now here what? 3 times negative 4 is negative 12, x to the 3, and remember, there's a 1 here, right? So this is 3 plus the 1 is x to the 4, and 3x cubed times 5 is 15x to the 3. Okay? And is this in standard form? Yes, because the exponents are in descending order. Okay? Right, so that's a solution for the first one. Next one. Let's see. For this one, let's try and remember FOIL. How does FOIL go? You go first, outer, inner, last. Right? So FOIL, what's the first move? You go 5x to the 2x, and this becomes what? This becomes 10x squared. What's the next move? We do 5x to the minus 4, and this becomes what? Negative 20x, right? Then what? You do 3 to the 2x, this becomes 6x, and now here we do 3 to the minus 4, and this becomes negative 12, right? We're multiplying. So here, 10x squared stays the same. And then what are the like terms? We can add negative 20 plus 6. And I want you to think, try and do this by yourself before I show you. Pause the video. What will this equal? And if you want to see, it'll be negative 14x. If you got this wrong and you put a different answer, raise your hand and I will help you with this. And that's minus 12. Okay? And this is our solution. Let's go with the next one. Here, it is very similar to the, well, not very similar. Here, we need to distribute, right? We need to distribute, okay? And watch the rhythm for this. So I'm going to show it with all the colors. You see, this 5x has to multiply to each one of them. Then the 3 has to multiply to each of them, and then we put it together. So here, it's 5x to this, to this, to this. So then what does that become? 5x times 2x squared is 10x cubed. 5x times 2x is 10x squared. 5x times 3 is 15x. Okay? Then what do? Then we got to do this one. 1, 2, 3, right? And then this becomes what? 3 times 2x squared is 6x squared. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 3 is 9. Okay? Now here, once we get this whole blah blah, which ones can we put together first? Here, the 10x cubed goes first. And then which other terms can we combine? We can combine this one and this one. And what do we get? 10 plus the 6 is 16x squared. Then which ones can we combine? The 15x and the 6x, and this becomes what? 15x plus 6x is 21x. Then plus the 9. And that's it. If you want, as a challenge, try and do this question 4. You see how I have 5x plus 3? How about this? 5x squared plus 3x plus 2 times 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. Okay? And my hint is, you see here, this is 2 terms and this is 3 terms. But this is going to be 3 terms times 3 terms. It'll be the same rhythm. Watch, you see this 5x squared? What do? You got to go to each one of them. Then what? This 3x, you got to do what? You got to go to each one of them. And same thing with this guy. This 2 has to go to each one of them. So we'll do it maybe this color here. So it'll be boom, boom, and boom. All right? Try and do this question by yourself. And then try and do these examples by yourself. And when you finish, let me know. Okay? I'll see you.